개, 개. 어떻게 구별해? 개, 개.
Can you feel the difference between
개,
and?
개.
Yes, it is.
에,
And
에.
are pronounced differently depending on the angle of the jaw. The angle of the jaw has an effect on those sounds. Could you put your hand on your jaw first? Let us pronounce
에,
together. Don't forget where your jaw is. Let us open our mouth a little smaller and pronounce.
에.
What do you feel? Can you understand the difference? The difference between
에,
and
에.
is eventually determined how much open your mouth.
에,
Bigger, opened mouth.
에,
Smaller, opened mouth.
에, 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 에.
Can you pronounce them now? But most Korean people don't consider the difference between these pronunciations in daily life. Some people don't even know the difference. So, don't worry about it. Just pronounce them comfortably. Now, let's check the pronunciation out with more examples.
애기, 애, 기, 애기. 애니, 애, 니, 애니. 애도, 애, 도, 애도. 애누리, 애, 누, 리, 애누리. 에스파, 에, 스, 파, 에스파. 에그타르트, 에, 그, 타, 르, 트. 에그타르트.
How was it today? Was it hard? If there's anything you didn't understand, please leave any comment on my channel. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye. Wasn't baby?
아기?
This is how Koreans pronounce it. Do you all remember baby was
아기?
right? But why did you say?
애기?
Are you curious? Let's study together why
아기,
has changed into.
애기.
Can you see the vowel
이,
in the
기,
letter? This vowel
이,
here affects on the front vowel.
아,
That's why the vowel
아,
turns into the vowel.
에,
Please remember that Koreans usually use
애기,
instead of.
아기.
Shall we take a look one more time? Can you see the vowel
이,
in the
리,
letter? This vowel
이,
here affects on the back vowel.
어,
That's why the vowel
어,
changes into a vowel
여.
Koreans pronounce as.
아니었어.
So people sometimes make grammar mistakes when they write. Please remind yourselves it is
아니었어.
when you write, and it is
아니었어.
when you pronounce.